Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So a day ago, I posted a video that in Microsoft Edge for Desktop, some of the themes available in the Edge add-on store are now appearing on the appearance page in the settings, making it easier to apply themes from the add-on store in the desktop browser. Now, I'll leave a link to that video down below if you would be interested. But just to let you know that once again, it seems that Microsoft is giving the themes on the appearance page in Edge a little bit more attention, because now in Edge Canary version 120, which is the latest preview version, they are testing a new color picker on the Edge appearance page. Now, just to demonstrate, if we just head over quickly to our settings in Edge Canary and navigate to appearance, here on the customize appearance page, we can see the new color picker. And this is very similar to what we get over on Windows 10 and Windows 11 when it comes to customizing the OS, and now available very early days in Edge Canary, and this is not available as yet, by the way, in the stable version. So just to demonstrate, I'm just going to leave the browser at the default system default dark theme. You click on pick a color, and here you can see we have a couple of options. You can use a color palette, or if we go down to the bottom, you can scroll through the RGB, HSL, or the hex different codes. I'm going to leave it at default RGB, and just to demonstrate, here I'm going to drag the color picker over the color palette, and we're just going to go to about there. And then here we can fine tune that as well. So I'm just going to add a little bit more of a hue into that, and let's bring it back. There we go. You get the general idea. And then to apply that color, we just click outside of the actual color picker onto the actual settings page. And there we go. You get the general idea. And just to demonstrate one more time, and by the way, if you want to clear that, you just click on default. And let's do that one more time. So let's choose another color. Let's just navigate around. Let's bring that back to here. And let's just pop a little bit more of that in, and you get the idea. So you can fiddle around to your heart's content using that color picker now in Edge Canary version 120. Now, as I mentioned, it's still very early days, and this isn't even a default feature yet in Edge Canary. It's actually hidden behind a command line flag. And if you have been viewing this channel, you may know that to enable a command line flag, it's a little bit different to an experimental flag we get in the actual browser. So to enable a command line flag, first of all, this is the flag, which I'll leave down below, and it's quite a mouthful, so you can just copy and paste that from the description. That'll be down below. And then what we do is we head over to any shortcut for Edge Canary, be that a shortcut in your start menu on your desktop or on your taskbar, as in my case. We right click on that shortcut, click on properties, and here in the target field, I have already entered the flag, obviously, so I could demonstrate. But you will see in the target field .exe quotations. If there's anything in front of those quotations, delete it. And then after .exe quotations, you leave a space, and then you enter that command line flag. So you must leave a space, as I always say, because it won't work then if you don't leave that space. So after quotation, space, enter the command line flag, click on apply, click on OK, and then obviously you'll have to close Microsoft Edge Canary and then reopen and relaunch the browser. And then, as mentioned, that color picker should be available. But just on a side note, if the color picker isn't working, then I have noticed that if that command line flag isn't working to enable the color picker, I have noticed that it's only working on my Windows 10 device and not on my Windows 11 in Edge Canary. I have fiddled around and only seems to be available and working on my Windows 10 device. So it's still very early days, so just take note of that. If it's not working, it may be that it's just not working, and I managed to get it working in Edge Canary on my Windows 10 device. But nonetheless, Microsoft testing a new color picker in Edge Canary, not available as yet in the stable, and it's still very early days, so it's hard to say if this will make its way to the stable version just yet. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.